Well, good afternoon. I thought nice sunny day. I come out here and fool around with this John Deere B again. I took the bottom off of that cover off that oil pump. I took a hammer and a punch and lightly tapped the gears a little bit, and they started to move just a hair. And so I thought, well, if I can move them a whole lot more around and around, they might loosen up. So I had the idea. I got this wrench for a 4.5 inch grinder, and I cut the things off here about halfway, and they fit in between the gear, the oil pump gears. So then I took it and turned it, a couple times, and looky what happened. It come loose. So now, got this thing. Well, it don't come down any further. Looks like that gear will come out. Don't really need to come out other than to clean it up and get the dirt out of it. It's just plain ordinary, so I'll put it up. Now, oops. Well, got that out. There's that. Well, there's that 1/2 inch square end where the coupler fits that must have been broke off somehow. So now all I gotta do is figure out how to replace it. I guess I'll have to do some research. Might even, well, put my glasses on here so I can see what I'm doing. Well, there's a hole up there. It's way up there. I don't see nothing. Oh, anyhow, my boy says ain't nothing to it. Easy to fix. So I think I'll have to ask him how he fixed them before. All right. Oh, up my head. So that's enough for now. All right, we'll let you know what happens when I get it fixed. Well, I got it. Took the top off here. Oh, this old engine's not stuck on this thing. But the oil pump all fell out the bottom. But looky here. Where's it at? There it is. I got it. $43 from Steiner's. I guess this old junker is going to pay for itself after all. Anyhow, somebody needs some antique bee parts. No carburetor, no magneto. Reader probably not too good. Fair 10. It's not stuck. It's got the add-on road gear. And other than that, I got the part I needed. I'll get up there and see if I can get it put in there. Alright, that's all for now. Well, I gotta put those gears up there in that hole and put that cover over it. But I ain't got enough fingers and hands to move fast enough to do it. So I think I'll put the gear pump up there, tighten this up. That'll hold them in there. Then I'll get the cover over there almost up enough so it won't fall out, where I can get that coupler set on the other top end of it. And then I hope I get it up tight enough that I can still get this out, and then push that back up and tighten it up. Well, rearrange it so that it lines up, and then push it up in there, and then get this thing out. Then I'll have it, I think, I hope. We'll try and see if I can get that to work. And I'll shut the camera off while I'm trying that. Might take all day. Well, that worked. Now let's see if I get this other thing on the bottom. It'll only take about a minute, I guess, or two. Well, I got the cover on. I need a little better than 3/4 of an inch here to get the coupler on up there, so it looks like I got it. And now if I take this off, that'll fall back down, but it won't fall clear out, I don't think. We'll tighten it a little bit more. Alright, we'll take this off. Well, the worst that could happen, I just have to do it over. Well, the gears are still in there. So now all I gotta do is get up on top, put that coupler back on the top of the shaft. Oh. Well, I don't jump up quite as good as I used to. Alright, now take this back off. Now somewhere down in there, right there, I can see it. That shaft with a 1/2 inch square on top sticking up right down there. And I gotta put that on top of it, then push the gears up there and turn them a little bit and get it hooked up. Alright, we'll try. I gotta go ahead and warm my fingers up first. I don't know why you can see it, but I got that little coupler on top of that shaft there somehow. Alright, I got the oil pump gears in there. Got the little coupler on the shaft up at the top. Got it pushed up there close. Figured that's the best way to get it up there. Now I gotta turn the gears to get that coupler to line up. And when it lines up, just push it up the rest of the way and we got her. Alright, let's see what happens. This might take a minute or might take a day or two, who knows. Alright, I'll do that off camera. Well, looks like I got it. Put the screwdriver in there up against this bolt. Gear turns a little bit that way. A little bit that way. So it must be hooked up. Now let's see if it'll go up any. Hey, that's just about where it belongs. I'll put the right bolts in and we'll have her done. The dirty bolts goes in there. Well, looky there. Got it done. Might have oil pump that works tomorrow. I've done enough for today. Now we'll tighten this one bolt back up. And then darn. Cheap Chinese wrench. Alright, now we'll go over here and turn the flywheel and see if it still works. Didn't hear anything break. Yeah, I'll look in there. You can't, the camera don't do any good, but I'll look to see where that thing turns. Yeah, looky there. All back together just like it was. Except The oil pump works now. At least I think it works. I don't even put the oil in it yet, but I'll put some oil in the morning and that'll work. At least it turns over and everything's free and loose. And we'll give this a try tomorrow. We'll see. Maybe tomorrow we'll do that. Will it ever run? We might finish that video. Alright. That's enough for now.